Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I'm an eBay reseller and a YouTube video creator. I love doing both of them. They're so much fun. And today I am doing a DIY designer unboxing from ThredUp. ThredUp is the place where I get most of my boxes when I do unboxings. I've been trying to venture out, and sometimes I do what sold videos and my thrift haul videos. But today I'm doing a DIY designer. It's one of my favorite boxes. A lot of the stuff I get there I send into the RealReal. And I've been doing pretty well at the RealReal lately. So I think last month I got $528, which was great. So, and I'm gonna send some of my Louis Vuitton bags into them. So I'm excited about that. All right, so DIY designer. ThredUp, it is $140 plus tax and shipping. Comes to $150 for me. So it's about $22 per item. So here's an interesting thing. A lot of the times when you get a good item in a DIY designer box, you kind of have to take your opportunity when you can get it, and you have to sell it for whatever you can, because a lot of the items, like you get a St. John skirt, knit skirt or something, size 4. I don't know why, but somehow a lot of the items are just harder to sell. So you know, we take, as resellers, we take our opportunities where we can. As for jewelry today, I'm just wearing a pretty simple shirt, but I'm wearing this necklace that my daughter-in-law and son-in-law got me for Christmas a couple of years ago. I love this necklace, and I love the way it looks with this. And then I'm wearing these half hoop faux pearl earrings that I got in a fun box. I was going to sell them, and I thought, why? I really like those earrings. So sometimes, and isn't it weird that you got jewelry in a fun box? But anyway, all right, here's the box. It's a big box today. It's super heavy. It looks a little bit, you know, it looks like this is all kind of like, I don't see the bottom being torn out like it has been in the past. Thank goodness for that. So, yay. All right, let's get going on this thing and see what I got. I am proud of myself. When I started on YouTube, if I got a designer box, if it was sitting in my room where I keep them, I could not let it sit there for very long at all. I was like, oh, I gotta open. I gotta open that box. It sat there and called my name all the time. All right, here is the box. I see a Burberry, and that should be the first one we pull out, I guess, right? Ooh, I like this color. Burberry. Made in Italy, size 38, which I believe is about a size, I don't know. You know what? I'm going to have to look that up. It's small. It's small. It's probably about a size 6, I think. Oh gosh, this is just beautiful. This looks like, well, it looks like a dress, but it's sheer. I mean, it's semi-sheer. Oh my gosh, it's just gorgeous. Look at this. I'll put it up on, I'm going to move over here so I have room over here for to show you what it looks like on the mannequin. But oh my gosh, look at that. That's really nice. It's like a, oh, I see. All right. There is a slip, a built-in slip. It just kind of fell down. So there's a slip that goes in here with it. Oh goodness. Oh. So it's a sheer outer area, and then it's like a slip dress on the inside as your slip. Really, really nice. I don't see anything wrong with it, but you know, it's hard to see wrong with things when you're sitting here on camera. So, very nice. I'll put it on the, by the way, all these things will be for sale unless I decide to send them into the RealReal. Prices will be on the screen. Sometimes I don't put things for sale right away because I want to take the time to wash them first or fix them in some way. So, all right. Next up is, well, this was what made the box so heavy, I think. Acne Studios, which, as you probably know, is a Swedish designer. It's an orange sweatshirt, and it looks like a pretty decent size. It's like a tomato, orangish, reddish kind of. It's got their logo, I guess. Is that what that is? And it's a hoodie. I don't see anything. It does smell like a little bit perfumey. It's or laundry detergent. Maybe that's what that is. Okay, here is, I didn't show you the tag for that Burberry one, but here's the Acne Studios one. I think the size could be on the inside, but I don't see that either. Where the heck is the size? Let's see. Oh, okay, look down here. Size medium. Great. Oh, this is great. Made in Portugal. Okay. That's a great find. That is a great find. I don't think it needs any. It smells pretty fresh, despite I think it's the laundry detergent. Sometimes that smells, you know, kind of strong. Anyway, also, I was gonna go back and show the Burberry tag. So there's the Burberry tag. That's for the inside, and then here's the one for the outside. So they're attached as kind of one piece. Really, really cute. All right. What is next? Do we have any? We don't have any handbags today. Bummer. Oh, whatever this is sure cute. I can't tell. Alex. Okay, this is like a cotton white sweater dress. And it's kind of short. I can't tell. The tag is really, really faded. Alex. Oh, is it Alexander McQueen? No. Alex. I can't even believe what I'm gonna say. I just can't see it. I can't see it. It's really hard. Okay, I don't know if you can make that out. I don't think so. Anyway, I don't know what size it is. I don't know what. Let's go look. It almost looks like terry cloth material. Oh, let's see here. Oh, Alexander Wang, size P, which is like small, really small, petite. So Alexander Wang, I think is it a beach cover up? I don't know, but it's a really heavy kind of cotton. And I'll show you like the up close material here. It's nice. It doesn't look like a P. It doesn't look as small as that, but okay. Yeah, I mean, Alexander Wang I have not sold very many times, but we're gonna try it out and see. So, all right. Next up is this Burberry sweater. Sweater. And of course it's wool. It's cashmere. And of course there's a couple of little holes in it. Mind you, they all get that. And so they, in the end, you know, here I'm gonna show you the whole thing so you can see exactly. I don't see any until you get about here, and then you get one here. Here's a hole. Here's one. There's a couple right here. So there's a couple of holes, and then there's a couple more small ones. So there are some holes in this, but you know, they really won't affect the quality of the sweater when you wear it. But I am going to be having this for sale. I bet somebody will buy it right from my channel, because I know these go for a lot more anywhere else. There's the tag, cashmere. And if you can stand a couple, when you're wearing it, I really don't think anyone's even going to know there's any holes in it. So if someone does not buy this, I will keep this. I don't really need any more winter. I mean, I have a ton of winter clothes. You have to when you live in Minnesota. Trust me on that one. But anyway, that is the Burberry scarf. Now, not the most expensive thing on earth, but you know, they always do sell, even with the tiny. But those are not drastic holes by any stretch. They're not so bad at all. So, all right, this is the last clothing item, and it is USA size 10, which is a great size. Moschino, I think someone said. Moschino, cheap and chic. Woo, that's a mouthful. And the tag is still on it. Oh my gosh, but it looks vintage. Oh my heavens, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Ah, it's it looks like a midi or a long dress. It's hard to tell. I think maybe long. Here's the tag. Ooh, wait till you see this. This is a great find. What a great find. Here is the tag from what store? Moschino Couture. And let's see, Modelo. Look at that. And then here's that side of it. So the original retail price was $960. Ooh, how exciting. It's a size 10. It's a great size. Wow. That's amazing. I don't know why it ended up in this box. Doesn't seem like there's anything wrong with it. But mind you, when things are new with tags, it doesn't mean that there's no problems. Sometimes there still could be. There is a little bit of stitching coming out right here. Maybe that's what's wrong with it. I think it is, yeah. Yeah, there's stitching coming out in several places. So, Anyway, it's still gorgeous. I'm going to look at the extent of the stitching coming out. I'm going to put it on my mannequin and see what the extent of that is. Oh my god. Wait till you see the next. Oh, these. This is. Oh, this is one of the best Gucci. It might be the best Gucci thing I've ever gotten in one of these boxes. It is. Look at these shoes. They're in great condition. How did they end up here? They're in great condition. I don't like they're minor markings, but look at that with the Gucci logo. And look, oh, okay, this thing moves, and you've got the Gucci logo, and the strap looks to be working. Let's see if this one is. These are in great condition. They're size 40C, which is like about a 9.5 or a 10 wide. So they don't look very wide, to be honest with you, but look at that. These are insane. They're so gorgeous. Oh, I've never, like usually when I've gotten something Gucci, there's been something seriously wrong with it, like a tear or a big stain or, these are not, they're wedged, they're leather, they're absolutely gorgeous. These will sell for a lot at the Real Real. I know the next one's good too. Woo! Love it! I'd go cash in on a lottery ticket there today. I always say that, but I really don't get many lottery tickets. All right, let's see. The next item, it came in this bag. Christian Louboutin. And can I get it open though is the other, because they've got it really wound around here. Those Gucci shoes. What? Maybe they're two different sizes. No, they're not. You know what? The Gucci shoes have been resold. But I know some people think that's a bad thing. That's not a bad thing. It's got the Vibram sole. Look at that. It's nice. Vibram soles are nice. They're grippy so you don't slip when you're on vacation. Walking on those cobblestones over in, Italy or Europe or wherever. I don't know about you, but it's hard to get used to those. Oh my gosh, what do we have? Oh. Okay. Louboutins. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They are size 38. Which I've come to learn in Louboutins, 38 is like a 7.5. These things run pretty small. There they are. They're very nice. It looks like this area here has, it's someone with a little bit of a wider front part of their foot worn them. But that's not a big deal. My gosh, these are in great shape. I can't believe it. Look at these. The heels are good. The heel taps are good. I'll show you the other side. Back. They're in really good shape. And these are pretty high heel. Look at the bottom. That'll tell you the whole story. It looked like they had the sole add-ons put on here. But this part of the red is really in good shape. I am loving. I cannot believe the good shape these are in. Like I said, look at this part. This is a little bit stretched here. So if you're someone with a wide front of your foot, which I think 90% of the people don't have tiny little feet that are this wide. I mean, so they're size 38. These are insanely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, they're really nice. Again, show you the bottom. All right, both the shoes I got are in amazing condition. I am so stoked about that. I'm going to come to the middle again here. All right, so just as a recap, we've got the Louboutins that came with the bag, which is amazing. So happy about that. The best item in the whole box by far, right here. Oh, these are great. I'm glad they're not my size. I would have to keep them if they were my size. The Moschino dress. Looks like some of the stitching is coming loose. I'm going to have to look and see the extent of it. We've got the Burberry cashmere scarf. We have got the, I forgot this brand. Oh, Alexander Wang white kind of really heavy terry cloth dress. We've got the Burberry size 38, Italian size 38 dress with a built-in slip inside. And we've got the Acne Studios tomato orangish reddish sweatshirt size medium. I am super, super happy with this box. Thank you, ThredUp, for a wonderful box. I love it. So I'm going to have, if you're interested in any of these items, send me a note to mystephstyle@gmail.com. And don't forget that I'm in a collaboration on September 13th. And it is going to be everybody showing different outfits in different styles that they've chosen. It starts at 1 p.m. Central Time on September 13th. More details coming soon. So thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.